Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the headlight bulb on Smart Forfour. I'll turn the ignition on to see which bulb is not working, and then I'll proceed to changing it. We can see that the right bulb is not working, so I'll proceed to changing it. First I'll turn the ignition off and the lights off, and then I'll show you how to change it. In order to change it, you don't need to open the bonnet because there is no space in the bonnet, so this changing is done at where the mudguard is, just in front of the wheel. It's just down there. There is a cover that we need to remove. After we remove this cover, there will be space to put in your hand and remove the bulb. It might be easier if you lift the car up, there will be more space between the wheel and the wheel arch, and then you can change the bulb. First we need to pull out the connector. You just pull it out, you don't turn it or anything, just pull it out. And then we're going to remove this metal clamp that holds the bulb. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed the metal clamp, we can take out the bulb and put in the new bulb. Make sure you put it in the exact. Now we'll turn the lights on to see if everything is working fine. Yep, everything is working fine, so we're done. Thank you for watching.